Tell us some stories. Tell us some stories. All right. The first Copperhead story I want to tell you about is from the 1970s when I was a Boy Scout hiking through the woods. I remember hiking up a rocky, gravelly trail that was littered with oak leaves. Imagine this snake in the oak leaves. Do you really think you will be able to see this? I certainly did not, and I stepped directly on one of these. The one that I stepped on was probably only about a foot long. I jumped away. It moved away rather diligently, and nothing happened. Thank you for that. So, I want to talk about, not only do I want to talk about Copperhead camouflage, but I also want to talk about some of the distinguishing characteristics of this poisonous Mississippi snake. Notice that it has the hourglass shape on the back, and notice that it has the distinctive pointy arrow-shaped head. My friend was going out to his mailbox, and this was out by the mailbox, and he ran over it with his vehicle in the meantime. So that's my first story. Stay tuned. I have 2 or 3 more Copperhead stories to follow.